Hello, this is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto. It's November 2nd, coming at you with a new video here. Today, just a quick one on Monstro Farmz. What's going on here? If you're looking for an NFT that actually has real value that you can actually earn from, just drops into your wallet, check out Monstro Farmz. They have a 72-hour flash sale on this one. I've been following this one for a little while and just haven't really got into it myself, so I haven't posted it on my videos. But if you're interested in this one, come take a look at the website, farms.monstro.fun. It'll be in the information below. Again, this is not financial advice, just things that I'm interested in showing you and providing information on. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Looking forward to bringing you more. So let's get into it a little bit. What is Monstro Farmz? Well, right now, as I said, you click on this, it's $105 USDC. It's on the Binance chain. So if you want to get into this one, click on the link. Once you're in, you have 72 hours to get in on their flash sales. They build up their trading pool and you can purchase more and you can I guess compound your value as you get in. If you don't get in, you have to wait for another flash sale. So once you're in, you can actually bring more money into the system. But if you're not, you have to wait for another flash sale. So it just started today at noon Eastern. So it's been live for about 7 hours, and it'll go for another for 72 hours as it goes forward. So if you get into this one as well, you can click on the dashboard. They have a DBank profile, which shows everything that's on chain that they're doing. Currently, they have almost $350,000 invested in NFTs. They do have different values, denominations, and how does it work? So initially, when you get in, we're on C cycle C. When they started the initial A and B, they had 90-10. So what does that mean? Well, now we're down to 80-20. So 80% of the returns that they earn go towards the NFT holder, 20% goes to the holders. And this is initial ROI value. So once you earn your $105, it goes down to 70-30. So it dropped down to 10% is what you earn. So as you go through the cycle, you earn your $105, you go down to 70% earnings, and then it goes down to 60 after your 210, and then it drops down. You're always going to earn 10%, but the reason for this is they have other pieces that they're going to be doing forward and they have games and other pieces that so they're going to utilize this money to build out the ecosystem going forward. So if you want to get into that one, check out the DBank profile is right here. If you're looking at that, as I told you before, they show all the farms that they're going into, and we'll cover a little bit more on the wiki here on what they want to do. So it's a yield farming. So they looking for opportunities that they have been doing this for quite a while, and they wanted to get into this themselves. So they just decided to create this NFT value, which initially was going to be for a lottery, but they've decided to go in this way, and they offered returns for those that were invested early on, and that was a while back. But that's some of the backstory on it. So they've been doing this for a little bit here. They get into base chain, pulse chain, OP, BNB, so all those where you can farm, and they don't pick just any farming. They pick those that they think are going to go forward. They do provide information on the daily returns. It's usually about 0.3% to 0.5% a day, usually around the 0.35 they've been earning. So you get paid weekly. You hold the NFT in your wallet and it drops right in, so you don't have to do anything else. Once you've bought here, the NFT goes into your wallet, and they just airdrop the funds every week. So currently they're going right now. The next drop is going to be November 8th. So if you get in on this cycle, you'll get your first payment on November 8th, and it just comes into your wallet weekly on going forward. So if you're interested in this one, please take a look at it. I'll provide the information. They also have a Discord if you want to get into their Discord. They're more big on Discord. They have a Telegram, which they're just building out as well. So I'll try and put those links in the description below. Please like and subscribe if you like my content. I'll like to bring you more. This is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto.